Hi everyone, welcome to Amazing Salad Kitchen. Today, Jackie and I will share with you an easy and pretty honey mustard stick salad. You can make it for your romantic dinner with your loved one. Let's start with our honey mustard dressing. We put mayonnaise, Dijon, honey, some olive oil, some salt, lemon juice, and mix it well. It will be the sauce for our steak for tonight. And you can see the detailed recipes here. The second step is preparing steak and king oyster mushrooms. We sliced the king oyster mushrooms and cut the fat from the steak. And we put the steak fat on the side. Now we put salt and black pepper on both sides of steak and king oyster mushrooms. We use the beef fat to pan fry steak and king oyster mushrooms. It'll be much tasty, but please don't use too much. After all, it's saturated fat. So we turn on high heat. Pan fry beef fat. Once the oil come out, put steak and king oyster mushrooms. Make sure you take care of each side, roughly 3 minutes each side, until you see the color turn brown. For the edge, will be around 1 minute each side. Once it's done, let it sit for 10 minutes. You will get a better result. We can use this time to prepare our side salad. We can make a romaine bowl to hold our salad. For salad base, we use romaine heart. Cherry tomatoes. Cut it thin. green onion, we mix them with bacon, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and black pepper. Now we have everything. It's time to make our beautiful plate. We put honey mustard, sriracha, that's so cute. We can use them to dip steak. It'll be so yummy. After we finish the decoration, we put salad base on the romaine bowl on the left side. And we put king oyster mushrooms on the right side. That's the base for steak. Then we finish the salad with putting pistachio, dried goji berries, mint, and dried seaweed. At last, we slice the steak and put on the king oyster mushrooms. For decoration, we put 2 trees. And I want to put them like this. So now you can get a bottle of wine and enjoy your lovely steak salad with your loved one. Please subscribe our channel and see you next week.